That sound is awesome. Some may think it's a guy taking a whiz, but no. That means all the water from my yard is being pumped away over there. Hopefully with a 2-foot French drain around the immediate perimeter of the garage here, and a 12-inch deep French drain around the outer perimeter. That's enough to stop all the puddles in the lawn. The 3 to 4 inches of ice I'd have on my lawn every spring, and the frost heave of this garage, which kept that back door from opening for 3 months this spring. In addition to cracking my slab here and there. Heave is no good. And then all the piering I did on the garage. I have 7 feet of 7 feet tall concrete piers in all those spots. I have 4 on each end of the garage and 5 along the sides, or the long sides, this one here, but they're all covered with, as you can see, the rock mulch in the sidewalk right now. So I'm famous for doing a project where you can't tell anything was done because all I'm doing is like things like insulating, electrical, and whatnot. So I tried to make this project, this drainage project, look pretty afterwards by getting some decorative French drain cover and the rock stream, which that's functional too. And I'm thinking next year is the driveway. I have pictures of this where it's just an absolute mud pit. The only reason this stone is here is because of the drainage project. That's where the guys dumped it because I ran out of space elsewhere. So I think what I'm going to do is excavate this out and use turfstone, make a permeable paver system. It's just an idea. 6 feet of clear or 6 inches of clear gravel topped with 3.5-inch thick turfstone. It's the diamond shaped 16 by 24 blocks. Cover this whole area here, and then right here just do there's a low, so between the the entrance to the culvert there and the exit, that's actually not the low spot. The low spot in the driveway is out here in front of the French drain here. So I'm thinking of doing like a perforated pipe under there, under the driveway, and then exit it out by the culvert there. So all the water, I can walk on, well, I mean, basically I'll have a non-muddy place to drive a vehicle, park vehicles, and walk.